Ever wondered how to turn your spare time into cash? Imagine transforming those idle hours into a steady stream of income that flows effortlessly into your bank account. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. With the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can make this dream a reality. Today, we're spilling the secrets behind earning $1,271 daily with passive income. Yes, you heard that right. A whopping $1,271 every single day without having to clock in or out. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart, sustainable methods that can set you on the path to financial freedom. Welcome back to Billionaire Financial Lifestyle. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals striving for financial independence. We share tips, tricks, and strategies to help you build wealth and live the life you've always dreamed of. Let's dive into 10 ways to make money online. These methods are tried and tested, and they can help you build a diversified portfolio of income streams. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, there's something here for everyone. Number 1, investing in cryptocurrency. The world of digital currencies has exploded in recent years, offering incredible opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. Buy and hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, or earn interest through crypto staking. The key is to stay informed and make educated decisions. The crypto market can be volatile, but with the right approach, it can also be highly rewarding. Remember, knowledge is power, so do your homework. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting products you love and trust. Promote products you love and earn commissions, easy as pie. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. You simply recommend items to your audience and earn a percentage of the sales. Got a social media following? You're halfway there. Leverage your influence to drive traffic and generate sales. Number 3, e-commerce. The online retail space is booming, and there's never been a better time to start your own store. Research, source, list, sell, and promote. Boom, you're in business. Number 4, stocks and shares. Let your savings multiply. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Set goals, assess risks, and watch your investments grow. Number 5, create digital products. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Ebooks, courses, software, build once, sell forever. The initial effort to create these products can pay off for years to come as you continue to earn from each sale. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, software, or other digital content is an excellent way to generate income without incurring additional production costs after the initial creation. To get started, choose a product idea that appeals to your target audience. Develop high-quality, valuable content, and focus on making your product attractive and user-friendly. Use graphic editors to design engaging book covers or software interfaces, ensuring a professional appearance. Once your product is ready, develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote it effectively. Leverage social media, email marketing, advertising, and other channels to attract potential customers. Engage with your audience and use strategic promotion to increase visibility and sales. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos on making money. Number 6, license your intellectual property. If you have unique content or inventions, licensing can be a lucrative way to earn royalties. Create, license, and earn royalties. Easy. Number 7, automate a business. Automation can free up your time and allow your business to run smoothly without constant oversight. Delegate tasks, let the income flow. Number 8, mobile apps. The app market is thriving and there's a huge demand for innovative and useful applications. Create, publish, and profit from in-app ads and sales. Number 9, blogging. Share your knowledge and passions with the world while earning money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Create content, monetize, and watch the money roll in. Finally, number 10, sell stock photos. If you have a knack for photography, this can be a great way to earn passive income. Capture, upload, and earn from your photos. The more high-quality images you upload, the more potential you have to earn. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Ready to start your passive income journey? Let's get rich together. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take action today and watch your efforts pay off in the future. Now that we've explored these incredible passive income ideas, let's take a moment to draw inspiration from real-life success stories. These individuals have turned their financial dreams into reality using the very strategies we've discussed. Their journeys are a testament to the power of perseverance and smart investing. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mum who started her e-commerce business from her garage. With just a handful of products and a lot of determination, she grew her online store into a six-figure business in under 2 years. Sarah focused on niche products, leveraging social media and influencer marketing to drive traffic to her site. Today, she enjoys the freedom to spend quality time with her family while her business continues to thrive. Then there's John, a former corporate employee who took a leap of faith into the world of affiliate marketing. By creating a blog centered around his passion for fitness, John built a loyal following and started promoting workout gear and supplements. His honest reviews and engaging content resonated with his audience, leading to a steady stream of affiliate commissions. John now travels the world, living his dream life funded by his passive income streams. And we can't forget about Alex, a tech enthusiast who ventured into mobile app development. With a knack for identifying market gaps, Alex created a series of productivity apps that quickly gained popularity. Through in-app purchases and ads, he generated a substantial passive income, allowing him to quit his 9-to-5 job and focus on his passion projects. These stories are just a glimpse into what's possible with the right mindset and strategies. The road to financial freedom is paved with opportunities, and it's up to you to seize them. Whether you're starting small or diving into multiple passive income streams, remember that consistency and dedication are key. We hope these success stories have inspired you to take action and pursue your own path to financial independence. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are well worth it. Let's continue to support and motivate each other on this incredible journey. Thank you for watching Billionaire Financial Lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Together, let's turn our financial dreams into reality.
Now watch these videos and learn how to actually be rich. Thank you for watching.